Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in collaboration with Yoowigs. They sent me their Royal Dream lace wig and I have it in 22 inches and the density is 180%. This wig did come with a pre-plucked hairline and bleached knots, so I literally had to do nothing. I just took it out of the box and installed it. The special thing about this wig is that it features their Royal Dream lace, which is super thin, transparent, and undetectable. As you can see, like the lace already just like melts into my skin really well, and I haven't even installed it yet. So now I'm just going in and cutting off the ear tabs, and then I'm going to cut off the excess lace using an eyebrow razor. And I like to use an eyebrow razor instead of scissors when cutting off the lace because you get more of like a jagged effect and you don't cut the lace straight across. So that's what I'm doing, and as you can see, like this lace is super thin, like you can barely tell where the lace is. So yeah, this is one of my favorite parts about the wig. The lace was phenomenal and it was super easy to work with. So now that my wig is on, I'm taking my Kira wax stick and I'm using this to mold the hair in place and prep for using the hot comb. And I'm also going to straighten out my part. I decided to go for a middle part because that's just what I'm normally most comfortable with. But yeah, I'm straightening out my part and then I'm going to use my hot comb just to smooth everything out. And I honestly didn't even need to use the hot comb because this wig was already laying pretty flat, but we're gonna hot comb it to make it super sleek and, you know, polished. And then after that, I'm going to take my elastic band and I'm going to use this to tie down my lace. And y'all know I like to use elastic bands instead of scarves. I just feel like you get a much better melt. So I'm going to leave that on for about 5 minutes, and as my lace is marinating or melting as we say, I'm going to take this time and flat iron the hair. So I'm using some Biosilk therapy, and this just helps to add like a really nice shine to the hair. And I'm going to go in with my flat iron and just get everything nice and straight. I'm taking some concealer to define my part and make it more like noticeable and straight or whatever. And then I'm going to move on to what am I doing? I think baby hairs. No, I actually didn't do baby hairs with this wig, y'all. This is one of the first wigs that I didn't install with no baby hairs because I just really wanted to showcase the hairline and the lace on this wig. Like, you honestly don't need baby hairs at all because this lace is just like super thin, and they did a really good job with plucking the hairline so it looks super natural. So I decided to skip the baby hairs for this look, and I'm feeling it. Like, y'all know I usually love me some baby hairs, but I decided to skip it for this wig, and it's honestly growing on me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed working with this company and this wig. This wig has some of the best lace that I've ever experienced on a wig thus far, so you guys should definitely check them out. Everything about this unit will be linked down in my description box if you guys want to check it out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.